In October 1943, 300 prisoners walked out of a Nazi death camp alive. This is how they did it. Alexander Pechersky was a Soviet prisoner of war. When he arrived at Sobibor, he knew no one was meant to leave. For months, he secretly planned the impossible, an uprising. The plan was brilliant in its simplicity. Lure the guards into workshops one by one, kill them silently with stolen axes and knives. On October 14th, it began. Guard, we need help with the uniforms. One by one, 11 SS officers walked into those workshops. None walked out. At 4 p.m., Pechersky gave the signal. Prisoners stormed the armory, cut the phone lines. Chaos erupted. 300 inmates ran for the Polish forests. The Nazis were so humiliated, they permanently closed Sobibor, destroyed every building, tried to erase it from history. But most escapees were hunted down and killed within days. Only 50 survived the war. 50 people who proved that even in humanity's darkest hour, resistance was possible.